after you've cleansed, double cleansed that is, now we're going to be using our Lotion P50, but first we need to pat dry with a tissue. Always pressing upwards. And now, the most famous product, the Lotion P50, the correct way to apply. If you haven't used it before, you want to balance out your skin, so we're going to be diluting the P50. So now we're just going to add a little bit of water onto the cotton, maybe a few drops of the P50 just to start until we balance out your skin. Now we're going to hold our skin, and now we're going to work from the décolleté going upwards, just patting, pressing lightly. Now the jawline, underneath the lip, around the lip. You could even place it on the lip. Now underneath the cheekbone, always volumizing as you go. A little bit underneath the eye, not too close. I love just to hold it on the nose. That's where a lot of oils need to be balanced out. Now going upwards on the forehead to the hairline, from the brow to the hairline. And now the other side. So from the décolleté, going up. Holding and anchoring the skin. Pressing nice and gently around the lip, even on the lip, underneath the cheekbone to the hairline, just a little underneath the eye, not too close. Now just holding on the nose where many oils collect, going up on the eyebrow to the hairline. Just patting, going upwards. And there's 6 different kinds, so please give us a call or email us online where we could do a specific consultation for your skin type for the 6 kinds of Lotion P50 we have here at the Delamar Spa.